It is now 3:03 in the morning. 3:03 in the morning. Let's go to Batuu. Alright, y'all, it is running with the Bulls. Running of the Bulls here. The opening of Hollywood Studios is Galaxy's Edge. It's kind of crazy and chaotic out here, but we're here. We're here in this thing.
Brandon's like, why are you up here?
Super real, and we're here right now. It looks gorgeous seeing it in the dark. It is just under 5 a.m. and we're here. It is gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you? Super tired, but a 10 for sure, because all the Disney magic. Oh, the stormtrooper out early in the morning.
Enjoying our day, are we? Well, good.
Yeah, we also have one up there too, guys. Everybody's falling over each other. That looks so amazing. So they're having us exit and loop around, making a line right now. It's really, really interesting, as you can see here. Let me show you. Because you can see Toy Story, the swirling saucers right here. And then we're about to loop around completely. So this is the line for Smugglers Run to ride the Millennium Falcon. It is looping all the way around, and it's crazy. But we've already done it before, and it's nothing new. So we're gonna go explore the rest of Batuu. Let's do it. Hey there. So these people are going to be waiting in line literally all day. It wraps all the way around back there near Toy Story Land and back around. again. Wonder what the wait actually is for this. Seriously, Smugglers Run.
I don't
like
know.
it's all the way over there.
It's gonna be all day.
That's crazy.
It's gonna be all day.
I have to say, at nighttime / morning time, it is really, really beautiful in the dark compared to when we were here bright and early in the morning. So we are stumbling upon Ronto's Roasters right now, and I might say it is really, really beautiful to be back here in Batuu. It is quite loud, but we're gonna get some breakfast because it is early and I'm hungry. Let's do it.
That John lit, shut up.
Alright, so we are currently eating a breakfast Ronto wrap, which is a little different. Still really, really good though in the Tatooine sunset, which I love so much. I'm so glad to be back here, and I can't wait to get my blue milk, even the green one, whichever I can get, because it is super hot at 4 a.m. right now. And I'm thirsty, and you can see I'm shiny, I'm sweaty, it's hot out here. But the action is here, the anticipation, the hype, it is all here, and we're super excited to be here through all of the mix. So we're gonna show you here of all the action that's going on. It is insanely packed and crazy, but I'm glad they opened up the park early.
Wanna use my fame and name with the model. Say my name to the mama. We can bang it, we can bang it, yeah, we can bang it. I said, wanna use my fame and name with the model. We can bang it, ring and ring to the mama. We can bang it, we can bang it, we can bang it, yeah. Okay.
So currently behind us is the Millennium Falcon there. It is a 300-minute wait at the time of recording, which is really crazy, which makes sense though because it's the only ride here at the moment till December 5th. So we've already had a ride on it. We're in here. It's just us. Look. Nobody's there. Doors are open.
Sorry, I got scared.
That's true.
Remain seated and supervise young ones.
Yes, just go in on it. Amazing. You can see too, we did an awful job, so how it's flickering, that means we hit everything, so that's damage. We're just gonna explore the rest of, the land as we plan to. Get everything we want to out the way and just keep going. Get some blue milk, just had a nice Ronto wrap into a Tatooine sunset. Nice and refreshing. It's super hot and humid here on the east side of Batuu, since the west side's in California. So we're just gonna, have a great day, continue with the opening day hype, and enjoy all this magic. So cool. It's always great to see them.
Yes, it is. That is so cool.
It is. Truly must say, even though it is not nighttime, that it's dark out, the ambiance and the atmosphere right now is truly incredible. Like the glow of things and the lighting up of the ship, it's really, really beautiful out here. Meeting a lot of good people and seeing a lot of good friends and fellow YouTubers. It's really amazing out here. You having fun so far? Yeah, it's really good though. It's a different hype and experience. It is humid though. It's different being here. It's not even 6 a.m. yet, and we pretty much almost completed everything we wanted to do here in Batuu. So it's a really great start of the day because we got a lot going on. And make sure you watch the vlog from Food and Wine Festival over at Epcot. Super excited about that. I don't know. I'm just having a great time with my wife. Woo! Alright, so right here we have Oga's Cantina, which, you know, we were there in California, Disneyland's one, but this is it right here with a massive line back there with more people circling in from here. But of course, you have a reservation process to get into it this time rather than the standby that we did last time. But I'm sure in a few months, you'll be able to just walk right in, kind of, and just explore the wonderful cantina. He's mixing the crazy tunes. So this is the current wait for the blue and green milk, which is really, really crazy because I'm thirsty and I've been craving it for a while, and currently it's all the way back here. All the way back here. It is super good though. People are gonna be iffy about it, but I think it's really amazing. But yeah, it goes all the way back here, and people are already getting the spiked ones with the alcohol in it, which I would love to try, but it is still, I think it's just like 6 a.m. right now, so it's a little too early, but hey, this may be some people's only chances to get it, so let them have it. But yeah, the end of the line starts right here for it, and I don't think it's that worth it. It's still super good though. So they got fans out here because it's super hot, but it is super, super loud. Chewbacca, and he's super, super tall, like I always knew he would be. Super hyped to see him in person. Chewbacca. Bye, Chewbacca.
I said, wanna use my fame and lay with the motto. Say my name till tomorrow. We can bang and ring till tomorrow. Just a grain of May remains in the morning.
As you can see, the sun is now rising, and it is getting even more busy. That's a line there. That's a long line there still. More back there for the milk. It's insane right now. As the sun is coming up, this is what we got going on. Alright, you got a line behind me, that's for the blue and green milk. The line back there is for more merchandise over there. The line all the way right here is for Oga's Cantina. The line right here is wrapping around to go to Smugglers Run, and I'm in the mix of it, the crossroads of it, and it is, it's really crazy, and it's only gonna get worse, but we did everything that we needed to do here, so I'm quite pleased. Okay, so this is the exit we just left out of Black Spire Outpost, Batuu. Galaxy's Edge was fun, as always, so they're blocking it off, so there's now the exit from Galaxy's Edge all the way to Toy Story Land is connected, so it's really, really awesome. Alright, so heading out now, looking at the board. It said boarding groups 5 through 32 now, and estimated wait time is the afternoon. We got in bright and early, got everything we needed to get done, so I just wanted to, at the end of this vlog, show the entrance of Galaxy's Edge and see what's going on. But as you can see here, they are now checking like boarding passes and stuff right there for people. They gotta scan in. So groups 5 through 32 is going on right now. So that is that's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. So it's definitely packed in there, and like I said, and you guys saw, the lines were extremely long, so I just want to see if I could, you know, circle back around and get right back in. But they are blocking it all right here, as you can see, and you got to scan in like I said, so that's crazy. But hey, we did what we needed to do, we got it done, and that's that. Just wanted to try and get back into Batuu, because I love it so much. I wanted some blue milk. But that'll do it for us from Galaxy's Edge over here.